Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's CREE and today I'm back at it with another haul. For this vlog, I'm going to be unboxing this box that just came through the mail. Yes. And this one I actually got from STYLEVANA. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's just another like place where you get Korean skincare. And I was just trying to see which if this is better than YesStyle, like prices and everything. But prices wise, they have a lot of cheap ones, so I'm digging on that. And so yeah, let's just start unboxing. I'm glad it opens right up. So these are the stuff in there. Oh, it looks good. So yes, let's see what I get. There are some restocks, like this one, Beauty of JOSEON, the eye cream. So I ended up not using it from the first haul, I believe, but this is the one, the actual bottle. My mom been using it and it helps her, not me. I don't really like see a huge difference from me using an eye cream and not using it, so I'm just trying to like keep it minimal. And maybe I barely find myself using eye creams. And I got one free item, Madagascar Centella and Ampoule. So Ampoule is like comes down after Serum. It's like there's toner, serum, and then Ampoule. There are differences. Let me know if you guys want to know the differences. Next, I got this dark spot correcting glow serum from XSY. They say that this is a really good product to like help with dark spot and give you glowy skin. And I'm actually getting this for my mom, but I'm gonna use it too just to see if it works on my face. If it doesn't, oh well. Next, I got this Beauty of JOSEON. This is a ginseng cleansing oil. The very first cleansing balm that I used, it's almost gone. It's literally nearly gone. This came just in time. But is there anything wrong with that one? No, nothing is wrong with it. It's really good, but I just want to change it to an oil base just because I don't know, I feel like the balm is a little too much for me. Like I didn't want to like scoop things out and stuff. Like yeah, I didn't want to get things dirty. And next I got this right here, ILLIYOON face wash. I really don't know what this is. It says 2019, so I'm like very scared, but I think it's like something of award-winning, something like it won something, okay? Like that's why it's stuck on there. So the one I've been using is ETUDE Jung face wash, the cleanser. I still use it every day, like twice, like in the morning and the afternoon before I go to sleep. And technically I'm just changing over just to see if this works differently, if this is better. Because that one is really suitable for sensitive skin, which I know it is, but I just want to see if there's like different things out there just in case I need like a number 1 or number 2 just in case one runs out. Last but not least, I got this Abib toner. This is a Heartleaf calming toner, and they say that Heartleaf is the #1 Korean like the ingredient that is very popular. And like I think the Abib toner, they have like a toner pad, and they say that that's like the best ones out there. And these are very good for like sensitive skin, like that has redness and itchiness. I know it calms it down. And I remember when I was ordering this, that was when my face was breaking out after having too much of exfoliators on my face. I used whatever the skincare that I got, and it was working out, so I was glad about that. It was working out whatever I had, but this should help me like soothe things up even more. If you guys enjoy this vlog, if you do, make sure you leave a like and comment down below what would you like to see next. Would you still love me as be all for today's vlog. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.